So you've probably heard of cat backpacks before, but you have not seen one that can do this. That's right, an entire pet carrier? I'm impressed. And it easily fits this big monster. It's official. They're never going to the vet in a crate again. Forget about them running away when the leash is built right in. Can't forget the space for all the toys and treats or entrances to this thing that I can even count. And a base that's actually gonna support them, but is still super soft. They cannot seem to keep these in stock around summertime. Thankfully, they do still have it on a sale. So cat parents, if you want them to get that outside time safely, I'll put a link somewhere down here so you can check it out.